The installation has completed. The next thing we're going to do is check the application. Let us cd to the app. This is the files and folders that have been created. Now we need to install Bootstrap. Let me just check the index.html file. Okay, so let us, under the index.html file, just copy this link. You can get this Bootstrap CDN from, just type CDN Bootstrap. You'll get all the Bootstrap links. You can just add them in the index.html file. So that's what we need. Actually, we need the minified version, bootstrap min.css. Okay, let me just, let's just use this HTML. Click to copy. We have copied it. Just add it under link. So we have Bootstrap. We can use it now. Under the app.components.html file, just type div.container. So this is the page wrapper. This is the parent that you're going to have, and then inside here we'll have the navbar, right? So this is the navbar. We're going to remove a couple of things that we don't need. Let me just comment this out. You need the search thing. You need the searching. Oops, it's not. Let's uncomment this, then just comment this part, this list. Then you're good to go. This search, this button search should be actually on this side. I'm going to create a div.row, then div.call md6, and then div.call md6. We're going to create 2 columns. Yeah, that will do. That'll do for now. The issue is with the navbar brand. Yeah, navbar brand. So we can have it margin 10 pixels. Yep, good to go. We're going to, let's remove this. Okay, we need to separate these components. We need to create a different component for the navbar. You just run this command, ng generate component. Then you can call it navbar. So we have a component called navbar. Then what you're going to do else is we need to, already you see it has been added already here. So we're going to remove this, and then here we're going to add navbar. So instead of this navbar works, we're going to add this. And then we use this selector. Then you go to the parent component and use the selector there. So this is the navbar. See, now it's showing. Then I'm going to transfer this CSS styling to the navbar component. And you're okay. Now we are going to create a component for rendering the heroes. Let's create another component. So ng generate component or C heroes villains grid. Then press enter. You can name this component the way you want. The name doesn't matter, but when you're building enterprise level application, you might be required to have a convention of naming the components. We have our component created. When you go to the app module, the component has been added in the declarations. So the heroes component just looks like this. We are going to create a grid. We have 3 rows and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 columns. I'm going to show you how we do that using Bootstrap.